Hi, good morning. Can you dance? Good job. Yeah, say shake your booty. Shake your booty. Can you dance? Dance. Good boy. Yeah, shake your legs. Dance. Good boy. Come get the kitty. Gonna come get the kitty. Say good morning, Oscar. Oscar wants nothing to do with you. He doesn't like you. Where you going? Where you going, dude? Ah! Stairs. You walked up them last night with my help, didn't you? Can you remember how to do it? Can you do it again? Go up the stairs? Hi. Hi, little guy. Say, kitty, move it. Kitty, move it. Good job, Ewan. Good boy. Good job. Go on. Good job. You don't like going up more than the second one, do you? There's no more stale rails to hold on. Oh, good boy. Good job. You went up too. Can you go another one? Can you do another one? Oh, be careful, please. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Hi. Can you go on more? More? Go on. Good job, dude. 3? That's a record. You never go up 3. You gonna go up the next one? You better watch out. You're gonna fall, huh? Let me see. Come on. Ewan, are you gonna go swimming with your friends today? Maybe. We can find a pool. With Addie and Riley and Ronan. You wanna go swimming? You wanna go swimming? I don't know how to get down. Oh, can you do it? Wall? You like the wall? Okay, I think you're gonna be boring now. We better say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? You gave Mommy 2 kisses today when she went into your room. She said, give me a kiss, and you came over wide mouth and sucked her face. So sweet. Yeah, that was so sweet. That was nice. Can you give everyone else a kiss? Ewan, can you give them a kiss? Kiss, yes, kisses. Say bye-bye. Blow them kisses. Mwah, mwah. Say love you. Love you, everybody.